We started with a chicken coop, just 6 hens and 1 loud rooster too.
That rooster crowed at 4:30.
I nearly threw him out the door. Well, I said, honey, don't lose hope. One day we might just grow this coop.
Now thousands of chickens flap and squawk,
and somehow they still won't stop.
Chickens everywhere in Belize, flapping feathers
in the morning breeze. From a little coop
to a giant farm,
the good Lord kept us safe from harm.
Thousands under one big roof,
that hard work and prayer can show the proof.
Now trucks roll out across the land
with chicken boxes packed by hand.
The feed truck comes at breakneck speed.
Those chickens act like they don't ever eat.
They all start running row by row,
like Grandma heard there's
pie to go.
The factory's busy every day,
packing chickens on their way.
From Belize City to Carozal Town,
our chickens get around.
Now some folks dream of fancy things,
big gold watches, cars with wings.
but we thank God for daily bread and
all these chickens we have fed. Chickens everywhere in Belize,
Lord have mercy, hear them
scream and sneeze. But through the laughter and the noise,
God has filled our
hearts with joy. From a tiny coop years ago
to modern barns all
in a row, and every blessing that we see
came from God
so faithfully. Did you close the chicken gate?
I thought you did.
Not again.